My name is Steve, and I've had my roof replaced by Home Roofing Solutions. The biggest part was because we have a rock chimney and we had a lot of leakage around it for years. We'd done a lot of things to try to get it fixed, and it was just like chasing it, so I really got kind of tired of it. I'd found Home Roofing Solution. I did some research, and right away when I first talked to them, I just thought how professional they were. The other two I'd reached out to, they didn't seem as professional. Biggest reason that we chose them was because of the warranty solution guarantee. There'd be the life of the shingles for the roof, because it was doing a lot of damage inside as well. I was totally impressed with them. I mean, they was on time, and they very courteous while they was working. They took the time to make sure that they weren't interfering with our daily routine. There wasn't a piece of paper, I don't think, around at the end of the job that I had to clean up. Just very, very professional, and their efficiency as well. How they did the work just was really unbelievable. How quick they were, and great workers they were. And couldn't believe in one day it was done. They showed up at 7, and by 5 they was out of there. Everything was so well done. And just looking up at the chimney around the rocks without driving rain, and there's not one leak. I've highly recommended them to a number of people. I said, if you want a job done professional as well as being efficient, Home Roofing Solutions is the way to go.